What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to place an order on AliExpress without paying. So first thing you should do is simply open AliExpress and choose whatever product that you want to buy. Then click on buy now, and what you should do is simply make sure that you are logged in. And now what you should do right now is to simply click on add new code. Then it will ask you to enter the code number. Now you can actually enter any random information that you can get from the internet. Now here in my case I have this number, for example, and for the month I'm gonna make it 1, for example. Then I'm gonna choose the year 2049. Then the CVV I'm gonna type 730, for example, and the card holder name I'm gonna type Winston Frick. Then I'm gonna click on save and confirm, and after that it will be saved to your payment method. And actually this is a virtual payment, and don't worry guys, this is not a risky method. And you can simply click on pay now, and when you click on pay now and enter your address, you can simply find this message right here, payment failed. But when you try to go into your orders, when you try to hover over your name, then click on my orders, you will find out that you have the order now, so that you can simply save it in your orders. And after that you can simply change the payment options if you want to pay for this product and get it to your address. And that's all for today guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.